Hello everyone. In this video we have a statemental question. Question is, if a line is drawn from the center of a circle to the midpoint of a chord, then the line is perpendicular to the chord. This is what the question is. Now we draw the figure. Let this is the circle with center at point O. If we have a chord AB and C is the midpoint of this chord, and OC is the line from the center of the circle to this midpoint, then we have to prove that line OC is perpendicular to line AB. Let we move towards the solution. Uh, First of all, we'll draw a line segment from A to O, and similarly another line segment from B to O. Now we have two triangles OCA and OCB. We find the relation between these two triangles. First of all, we can see that OA is equal to OB because these both lines are radius of the same circle. Then line AC is equal to line segment CB because C is the midpoint of line AB, and OC is equal to OC because this is same line segment. So from side, the two triangles OCA and OCB are congruent to each other. Now the angle ACB, it is equal to the sum of angles ACO plus OCB. So since these two triangles are congruent to each other, therefore these two angles must be equal, and these are equal to 180 degree, and these two angles, since these two angles must be equal, therefore they will be equal to 180 degree divided by 2, and that is equal to 90 degree. So it means this angle is of 90 degree. Thus the line OC is perpendicular to line AB, and that is the answer. Thank you for watching. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you.